Chicken bacon.
Chicken and bacon.
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to be testing out the UN pitbike versus my CF125. It should be a good video. Alex and James are currently on a bike ride. I went on one yesterday, so roll that footage. We're just about to go on a bike ride. This is, I think it's Friday at the minute. Maybe get a little drink on the way. Alex is going to run next to me, aren't you? I've actually never ridden a road bike. This is one of my first times riding one. Fingers crossed, it's okay. Just gone up one of the big hills. Alex is behind me. Whew. I'm actually quite enjoying the bike.
Sorry, about a mile in now. Louis has gone the longer way because he is on a bicycle, so he's got an advantage. He's feeling alright. Just went to Tesco's and got some water. So, see you when we're at James's.
Just had a little break, didn't we?
Yeah.
So, we've got a route where we're going to go now. I'm going to go back a little head start and catch up with him. So, yeah, we're going to go on a small little cycle, then go to the gym later on. I've got a slight problem.
Yeah, I'll take the GoPro.
I've brought a drink, but I haven't got anything to hold it in, and these tracksuits don't have any zips, so yeah, that's going to be a tricky situation. I'm going to have to just cycle one hand. Just got back now from the cycle, so I'll probably see you tomorrow. So yeah, went on one of my first ever bike rides on a road bike with Alex. Alex went on a little jog, so it was quite a good day yesterday. But just waiting for Alex and James to come back. I've already been to the gym, so it seems like it's going to be a good day. Before we get out riding today, it has actually rained quite a lot today. So,
Oh right, yeah, no, you can actually customise that.
okay. Yeah, been a bit rainy today, but we're meant to be having like 3 days worth of snow come. Alex and James back from their bike ride, so just gonna head over and see what they're up to. What's happened to your bike, Alex?
Well, basically I jumped and the bike just snapped in half, so I brought a new frame.
No, Alex has brought some clamps off Diamond Minis because his old ones were a bit bent, weren't they, James?
I don't know.
Anyway, for today, James, are you going to be riding the UN bike or the CF125?
Is that what you're doing?
Yep.
Crazy. Please let me go home.
Do you think we should get changed? It's massive, isn't it, Tom?
Go show us in the camera mirror.
I'm vlogging with this at the moment. It's quite hard to vlog with, but steady enough. I think it's about time to get all of our Yoko kit on. Alex got some new Yoko kit for his birthday, didn't you, Alex? You're not wearing yours?
No, we're going to get yours too.
Oh, okay.
White.
Oh yeah, that's true. Let's get our kit on. And get your hands out your trousers, Alex. You're not cool. Alex has just brought a new exhaust for his bike. Show him. Ready to jump into our kit, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh my back. Oh.
I said he'd be too injured.
Oh, my head.
How did it work that well? Tarmac the lay boy.
So, just about to head down now to get James's boots as he's forgotten. Got my new tyre on. So yeah, let's go for a little drive quick.
It's my bike, guys. For sale if you want to buy it. $6 grand. Hi everybody!
James, show everybody your helmet. No, not that. That's nice.
One boot's in the back, one's in the front.
So we've all come to a mutual decision that this vlog will sort of be filmed in 2 days because we're expecting some snow tomorrow and it's quite wet down the track, so I think we're going to find it quite hard to compare the two bikes.
Right, let's get this 50 out. Your Verucas better not be contagious.
At the moment it's currently pouring it down with rain. Alex and James has just headed down to the track, but it seems quite slippery.
James is just testing the track out because he's actually never rode this track, even in the dry. So he's actually learning to ride it in the wet. So he's struggling a bit.
I'm going to show you how slippery it actually is. They're struggling to do a lot of the jumps on both the bikes because it's so slippery. How is it?
It's alright. I think it sucked some water into the carb because it's a bit boggy. It's mixed around with the mixture screw but can't get it right. So I think we need to take the carb apart tonight and clean it up. It is proper wet. I mean, it's not raining so much anymore, but there's deep puddles when you go down there. So I think, I mean, all pit bikes would do that with a carb there.
Yeah, the Bucci used to do that all the time.
The same. But because these are fuel injected, these are fine. Yeah, we'll have to get Gary on the phone.
20 minutes later.
Look what I did, guys.
So I just made James a tea, but put it in a Stella glass, so let's take it out to him. James! There you go.
Can't you do anything normal?
It's best like that. Nice.
It's alright.
So, James is actually heading back home now. We'll pick him up tomorrow and we'll go for a ride tomorrow and see what the bike's like. And hopefully we've got some snow. Right, so it's the next day. We've had a bit of snow, it's continuously snowing. So just about to get James and get his 110.
Oh, it's you.
Oh, hello James.
Hi.
James has been working on a little build, haven't you, on an RM50?
Yeah, I've been working on that, working hard.
What bike are you riding today?
Well, let's remove the cover. The grips have gone mouldy.
That shows that you need to ride more. That's a sign.
So you do it. Take the choke off, they said.
It'll be fine, they said.
It's gonna be dark in a minute.
Yeah. Ready?
Calorie counters. We can count that high.
It's too cold, the exhaust to lift. What have you done, Alex?
Put the wire in underneath the clamps.
Alex has got herself Diamond Mini clamp, so shout out to them. And you got a little face mask.
I've done the wiring under the...
So outside it's pretty snowbollical. That was good, I really like that joke. First shop, no sledge. Oh, okay, I just had one of these then. Got one.
How we meant to tow each other on it? We got a sledge. We were really tight to death.
They're all making fun of me because of my sledge. Right, we've got the super glider, haven't we?
I'm super gliding! At the minute it's a super glider, we're going to make it an extremely super glider.
The moist and succulent super glider. Alright, so we're all dressed up in kit. Alex has got some new Yoko kit for his birthday. He's got the Diamond Mini clamps on it.
This is so great.
James has done a little customization to his helmet. He will ride my bike and I'll ride the UNBike.
Cool,
and Alex will
isn't it?
ride this. So we'll see you down at the track.
Yeah, we will.
Oh! I like how you put tape there, Alex.
Well, you know, I think. Say what, Alex? I'll let you ride it. If you do it on this, then I'll kick it.
You can see if you can jump this.
You won't do it.
It's too slippery.
Huh?
It's too slippery to do.
did jump this, didn't I?
Yeah, I didn't get on video.
You didn't get on video. Now the rot's just got too big on it again.
Is it sketchy?
Yeah. Look at the suspension.
James, how is it?
How's what?
The track, the new track we built.
It's alright.
It sounds...
More fun than that because I'm on a 110. It sounds a blizzard.
I've ridden with no goggles and I can hardly see where I'm going. I don't think camera gives it justice, but yeah.
Literally, we're riding round and it's starting to turn white as we turn it up.
As we speak. And how's the new peak?
The peak is awesome. I think I'm going to get some more. Put them on the side.
On the side?
Honestly, it helps. Here we go. He's alright, he just needs some scrumping. Guess what it's time for? Super glider! We can grade the whole track like this.
Alex has just pushed it down.
You need to lift your feet up. Good enough.
The track has completely, no, not completely, has snowed over a bit now. We heading up?
Yeah. Look at outside. No. Look at it outside. I'm gonna need a bath when we're done.
Alex, James is still outside, isn't he?
Yeah. I'm never riding my motorcycle again. I'm putting it upstairs.
Is it too dirty?
Too dirty.
Look. He's had a bit of a snow. That's where we've been washing. James been out for a good... You've been out here for about 2 hours with that helmet on. So, it is now the end of today's vlog. I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, guys. In the next video, I will be giving the top commenter a shout out. So, make sure you do that, guys. Thank you for all your support recently on the channel. And I am back officially. I'm going to be uploading hopefully every week or every couple of, no, not every couple of days, midweek vlog on a Wednesday, then maybe Friday or Saturday will be a vlog. So yeah, comment down below if you'd like to see that and drop your Instagrams down below if you'd like a shout out. But remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah,